Hello, I am Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Thank you for joining me today. First, I talk about jobs that are hiring on this channel. Some are urgently in need of customer service representatives to handle either phone, chat or emails. If this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Then, click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. If you liked this video, click the thumbs up. Let's get started with a job that is hiring now. Announcing a new weekend job opportunity. Flow is hiring for weekend email and chat support agents. Flow, a content marketing and customer service agency, is hiring for a part-time, US-based email and chat agents. Flow is only accepting US applicants for this position. Work remotely from your home office or anywhere you'll have an interruption-free environment with a reliable internet connection. You may be based anywhere in the US with the exception of California and New York. However, your shift will occur during Mountain Time. You will need reliable high-speed internet, your own computer, a mobile phone, and an internet backup source in case of an outage. Available shifts and compensation: Saturday and Sunday, hours are 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Mountain Time, pay is $11 to $12 an hour. Responsibilities: agents will deliver customer service via email and chat and answer incoming customer inquiries. You will promptly greet website visitors by way of a chat text box. Agents will manage a support desk for an individual client. You will answer a wide variety of questions related to the client's industry. Agents will solve problems and authorize returns. And agents will record customer information within the customer service database. You'll be required to study, test, and train on the websites and knowledge bases of a primary client's account. Experience: customer service, 1 year preferred. Education: high school or equivalent preferred. Work location: fully remote. Communication methods used will be email and chat. Chat hours per week will be 10 to 19 hours. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, subscribe and click the notifying bell for upcoming job opportunities. I will leave the link to this job and position below this video, in the comments section. Don't forget to click the thumbs up to like this video. Thank you for joining me today.